What is it? Did you say Merry Christmas to Mommy this morning?
Merry Christmas.
What is it? Wow. Oh, what is it?
It's tractor.
Tractor? No, that's a bulldozer, honey.
It's a bulldozer.
You like it?
Yeah.
Daddy and Mommy got you this one. More cars, honey.
Where?
This one. You have so many cars. Say Merry Christmas.
Where?
没有了啦，就这个啦。Say Merry Christmas. More presents?
Yeah, this is.
Okay.